Yo, how we doing, y'all? How y'all doing? It's day 10. Day 10 of this is officially going to be 2 weeks of me doing this. And I'm loving doing this. I'm loving every second of the process. I'm loving every live stream we show up to. I love every trading day. I love everything about this. I just went for a run, just came back from the gym. We're just going to go straight into it. Not really wasting any of your time. I didn't end up taking any trades today. Why? Because it's NFP. I don't want to ruin my conviction by taking a trade. Price action did look decent today, but I just didn't want to take a trade today. I said that going into today, so I'm not gonna break my rules or anything. I'm gonna stick to what I say I'm gonna do. I come up with my daily bias. Today's NFP. I'm not gonna be taking any trades today. As soon as I write that down, that is set in stone. I'm not gonna go back and like, hey, maybe if there is a trade, then maybe I can take it. I didn't write that. I said today's NFP. I'm not gonna be taking any trades today. We're in all-time highs, and I don't like. I don't think I should be taking any trades today. Although market's still open right now. It's around 1:15 p.m. my time, so like 3:15 Eastern time, and I'm actually kind of liking the chart that we just had a huge sell off, and I don't really see much opportunity within this. When I kind of on live, I did end up ending it early. It was only like 2 hours today because I'm like, hey, I said I'm not going to trade today. Today's NFP. I can look at price action here and I can kind of study what we're doing currently, but I'm not going to go and ruin my conviction or go against my word of what I said earlier today, and I'm not going to take a trade. I'm not. I'm simply not. So I'm just going to get on with my day, and that's the beauty of trading. When you know the conditions aren't there, although there could be opportunity in here for some people, that's not what I'm going to do. I'm not going to go in here and I'm not going to come into the market and take a trade on NFP. That's not what I'm going to do. That's not what's going to make me a better trader. Because say I do win, like who knows? Price action did look a little bit decent today. We kind of came up and we took the draw, which was all-time highs on NQ. ES has been in all-time highs. Ooh, that's Tesla. ES has been in all-time highs. We came up and then we sell off. And how I was looking at this going into today, I guess you could say I kind of called the top, which I don't care to say any of that because, again, I'm not here to like say, oh my gosh, this is the top. I'm not here to top tick. That's not my job as a trader. But I said, hey, this is a swing high we put in place. I would want to see price disrespect this bullish fair value gap for price to go lower. I marked that out. I marked out this 5-minute imbalance. We never came back into it. And I will say I did a decent job at looking at price today. Better than I have been, but still improvements. I'm not focused on what I did good today, rather what I did bad today, which I wouldn't say I did anything bad today. I knew that it's NFP. I knew that I shouldn't be trading. I knew that we're in all-time highs. With all those stacked up against each other, I know that there's going to be another day in the market. I know the market's going to be open Monday. I know the market's going to be open next week. I know the market's going to be open the week after that. The market's not going anywhere. So that's kind of where I'm at with my whole process and stuff. The market isn't going anywhere. So there's no need to rush and force anything. So I marked out this 5-minute order block and we price respected it very well. Come up, tap in that order block, and then we sell off. There's really no entry. I don't see an entry at all. Target the downside, then we take this low, and then we take this low down here. This possibly, maybe could have been another entry, but I'm not taking this. I was wanting us to sell off today. This is good. This is good. And then we come back up into this other 5-minute order block, and then we sell off to that this low down here. And this is just my speculation. This is just my speculation. I think Nvidia is the one is holding up the market. This could be true. This could not be true. But as soon as Nvidia starts to get some follow through here, that's when I think we're gonna see lower prices on NQ and S&P, just because Nvidia is just such a monster now. So it's like 7% of the, and it's 7% of NQ or ES, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure someone fact checked me, but that's at least what I was looking at today. Might not be exactly, but we can say roughly. And once we start to get some follow through here, I think that we could start to see this could be something interesting here. We came back and we made all time highs. We put in a high here, so we've finally gotten a high now. We've put in a high and we have all this generated sell side. Again, remember we still have these two relative equal lows that are going to be the draw going into next week, and this is exactly what I want to see to target these. So I'm going to be curious to see how we open up Monday. And going into the next week. Next week's going to be a fresh week. It's about to be the weekend. Let's have a great weekend. Let's relax. Let's also grow. Let's become better. Let's get primed for Monday. My weekend consists of kind of just priming myself for the next week. Improving. Obviously showing up even on the weekends to get better. Whether that be studying, backtesting, looking at price, noticing things I could get better, whether that be running or doing things that I don't necessarily want to do. And that's kind of what this journey is about, just showing up and getting after it every single day. Let's kind of look at my trading transformation just to see. Obviously, I didn't take any trades today, so there's nothing I can really go over into here. My bias going into today, I'd have a bearish bias. So I want us to take this high and then start to sell. And that's what we did. I didn't really see much opportunity to take a trade, except maybe that order block, but I want to see more. I never really trade off of like just order blocks, and for me, just seeing an order block is not enough. Hello? Hello? What is going on? For me, hello? Okay, so I don't know what's wrong with that. But for me, I'm not the type of guy who's just going to take an entry off an order block, especially on NFP. That's not what I'm trying to do. Maybe my computer's broken. Anyways. What could I have done better today? I don't know. I'm proud of today. I'm satisfied with today. I didn't take any trades. I didn't force anything. What did I do good today? Not forcing any trades, knowing that there's always going to be another day in the market. I'm not here to stress and trade NFP. The days that you sit out are the days you're really growing. I don't care if I missed a sell-off today, even though I wanted one. I'm not there. I'm not here. That's not my job. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm not mad that I could have potentially made money today. I don't care about that. I'm caring about the process, showing up and repeating. And honestly, there wasn't really a high quality setup that I even saw today. So I'm proud of what I did today. I'm proud of the decisions that I had, and I had a fantastic day. And I hopefully you guys have a fantastic one as well. What did I do outside the markets to improve today? I ran and about to study, about to have a good night, and yeah, we're about to have a good night. Was anything else? Honestly, I don't know what's up with this. I don't know what's up with this. Yeah, I don't know what's up with this. I don't even know if I'm even live still. But there isn't really anything else I have to go over. There's nothing else I really have to say except for just me on my journey is just know the days that I'm gonna sit out. There are gonna be days when you don't trade. Me as a trader and how I trade isn't to trade every single day. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to come on here and trade every single trade. I'm not gonna trade every single day. That's not developing good habits. I'm glad I sat out today. There's always gonna be Monday. Monday opens up, and actually I do want to go over news. Next week, because you have daylight savings Sunday, and then Monday we don't have any red folder news, so I'm not gonna be too happy going into Monday. If there's a trade, I'll take it, but I'm going to be looking into Monday to not take a trade at all. No red folder news. I know it's probably gonna be a little slower action starting off the week. I don't want to start off the week bad. So with that being said, Monday may be a no trade day, but I'm going to go into every day thinking that I'm not taking a trade. I'm going into every single day knowing that I'm not going to be taking a trade. And if a trade is so fantastic to where I have to take it, that's what I'll take it. Tuesday we have CPI. Oh yeah, CPI And then we have bond auction. Not terribly concerned about this, but I think the bond auctions have been moving the market a lot. They have been affecting the market, at least the ones I've seen. And then we have PPI. This is gonna be an interesting day. I think next week could be a day where we spark that move lower. I don't know what's up with my I don't know why nothing's loading. But anyways, going into next week, I am going to be starting to be a little bit bearish. I need price to show me to be bearish, and I think Nvidia is really the one that's going to show us that we want to be bearish. That's just my speculation, and that's what I think. But anyways, today's a shorter video today, shorter